The Aspen OptiPlant ACCE interface can exchange data for equipment, pipe racks, and piping between Aspen OptiPlant and Aspen Capital Cost Estimator, ACCE. Equipment and pipe rack information can be transferred in both directions between Aspen OptiPlant and ACCE, while piping quality information can only be transferred from Aspen OptiPlant to ACCE. It helps owners, operators, and engineering firms alike to optimize and improve the accuracy of Aspen Capital Cost Estimator by enabling users to visually see the 3D conceptual models during design optimization and project scope development. At the end of this video, you will be able to define the necessary steps to create an ACCE input file that you can later import into Aspen OptiPlant. Aspen OptiPlant can read information from ACCE spreadsheet files. Users should use the ACCE spreadsheet file if they want to transfer equipment lists, pipe racks, and the equipment footprint. The interface can read the equipment and pipe rack data from the ACCE spreadsheet file and from the custom reports extracted from KBase for any existing projects to import the data into Aspen OptiPlant. It reads the tags, equipment types, dimensions, descriptions, and even the coordinates of the equipment and pipe rack if available from ACCE to automatically build the 3D model in Aspen OptiPlant. The connectivity between Aspen Capital Cost Estimator and Aspen OptiPlant is possible through spreadsheet conversion and import between the applications. To create the spreadsheet used to pass information from ACCE into Aspen OptiPlant, we first need to evaluate the ACCE project. When finished, the reporter window opens. Now let's create the ACCE spreadsheet file, which is the way to transfer data between ACCE and Aspen OptiPlant. To generate this file, we can click the OptiPlant 3D Layout Interface button on the ribbon, or we can go to the Run menu and click OptiPlant 3D Layout Interface. The Aspen Economic Evaluation OptiPlant interface opens. Select Process Equipment to send all the available information regarding equipment lists and coordinates to the spreadsheet. It's important that the Export Data from Project option is selected because this option pulls the data from ACCE and writes it into the spreadsheet. We'll name the file and save it in a known location, in this case, the Aspen OptiPlant project folder again. Click Create and the ACCE spreadsheet file is generated. It's important to understand that each piece of equipment in ACCE belongs to an area. It's also important to understand that each piece of equipment has a type. This type has a unique name and sheet in the report file. For example, a U-tube kettle reboiler component has a unique name called DRB U-tube. And an API 610 pump has a unique name of DCP API 610. This unique name will be more important when we want to map new components that we did in Aspen OptiPlant back into ACCE.